In today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about wobble sockets and what I like and don't like. So this is your standard U-joint wobble socket. And don't get me wrong, they're very useful. I used to use these a lot, and especially to, turn a bolt in a tight area or off angle like this. That works, right? It's okay. But the problem is that what I have found is that it's very wobbly. And if you're trying to thread this into an area to get it on a bolt, I have found that it's sometimes difficult when you have very little room to be able to thread it on, because you can't put it in a position and have it stay there. You can't get it like that and have it maintain its position. I've tried to wrap painter's tape around it. I've tried different things, but for the most part, that's what you get. It's real floppy, okay? Then I discovered these wobble sockets by US Pro, and these are big in Europe. I got this off of eBay, and I think they're, like $10 or so. But this thing is pretty amazing, and I use this now so much compared to the old U-joint system, like, that one. And what you do is when you thread this on, it has kind of like a ball mechanism, but the ball is not floppy. So if I need to turn this slightly at this angle right here, right, to get it on a bolt, it will actually stay in its current shape as I thread it on and then go to remove it, right? It doesn't flop like the other one does. So I just want to turn you guys onto these things. I have really liked these. I use this almost exclusively now compared to, the standard U-joint one. So I just wanted to make you aware of it and turn you guys onto these things. Again, I got mine on eBay, and I'm sure you can find these things on eBay as well. This one's the US Pro. I know that there are different manufacturers out there. I know even Harbor Freight has like a set of these things as well. You don't need a whole set. I want to turn you guys onto this. Hope you guys are doing well, and look forward to talking to you on the next video.